Small or missing half-moon nails. What they really mean for your health. Many people notice changes in their nails long before they feel any clear symptoms in their body. Nails grow slowly and often reflect long-term processes happening inside the body. One of the most commonly questioned nail features is the small white half-moon at the base of the nail, known as the lunula. When this half-moon appears very small or seems to disappear, it often causes unnecessary worry. Across the internet, missing half-moon nails are frequently linked to serious health problems without proper explanation. This can create fear, especially in people who otherwise feel well. This video explains calmly and scientifically what small or missing lunulae really mean, when they are completely normal, what causes them, which symptoms may appear alongside them, and when they may deserve medical attention. Understanding the lunula. The lunula is the visible part of the nail matrix, which is the area responsible for producing new nail cells. This matrix lies beneath the skin at the base of the nail and works continuously throughout life. As new nail cells form, they move forward, harden, and become the nail plate that we see and trim. The pale white color of the lunula appears because the nail in this region is thicker, making the blood vessels underneath less visible. This color difference is structural and does not indicate poor blood flow or weakness. The lunula is usually easiest to see on the thumbs. On other fingers, it may be faint or completely invisible. This variation is normal and depends on individual nail anatomy rather than health status. Is it normal for the half-moon to be small or missing? According to medical sources, small or missing lunulae are very often a normal variation rather than a sign of disease. In many people, the lunula is hidden under the cuticle or covered by the skin at the base of the nail. In others, the nail matrix sits deeper beneath the skin, making the half-moon difficult or impossible to see. Some individuals have never had visible lunulae on most of their fingers, even during childhood, and remain completely healthy throughout life. The absence of a visible half-moon on its own does not automatically indicate any underlying health problem. Why lunula size differs between individuals. Nail structure varies from person to person, just like facial features, height, or skin tone. Genetics plays a significant role in determining how visible the lunula is. If close family members have small or hidden lunulae, the same pattern is often inherited. Nail length, cuticle thickness, and nail growth speed also affect lunula visibility. When nails are kept very short, the lunula may appear more noticeable. When nails grow longer, the cuticle can extend forward and cover it. These differences are natural and usually harmless. A larger lunula does not mean better health, and a smaller or hidden lunula does not mean poor health. These are normal biological variations. Possible causes of small or missing half-moon nails. In most cases, small or missing lunulae are caused by natural anatomy rather than illness. A deeper nail matrix is the most common reason. When the matrix lies further beneath the skin, the lunula remains hidden and is not easily visible on the surface. Genetics is another major factor. Many people are simply born with nail structures that make the lunula less visible. Daily habits can also influence appearance. Repeated nail trauma, aggressive manicures, frequent use of artificial nails, or habitual nail biting can temporarily disturb the nail matrix and reduce lunula visibility. In some situations, long-term nutritional imbalance may contribute. When the body lacks essential nutrients such as iron or protein for extended periods, nail growth may slow, and subtle changes in nail appearance can occur. These changes usually develop gradually and are accompanied by other physical signs. In a small number of cases, deficiencies such as iron, protein, or vitamin B12 may be considered, particularly if nail changes appear together with ongoing fatigue, weakness, or neurological symptoms. Symptoms that may appear alongside missing lunulae. Small or missing lunulae alone usually do not cause symptoms. Many people with invisible half-moons feel healthy, active, and energetic. Concern arises only when nail changes appear together with other physical symptoms. These may include persistent fatigue, low energy levels, general weakness, pale skin, dizziness, shortness of breath, or reduced stamina during daily activities. Some individuals may also notice brittle nails, slower nail growth, or changes in hair quality. It is important to understand that these symptoms are not caused by the missing lunula itself. Instead, the lunula may simply reflect internal changes affecting the body as a whole. Warning signs that should not be ignored. While missing half-moon nails are usually harmless, certain warning signs deserve medical attention. A sudden disappearance of lunulae after they were previously visible may be significant, especially if it occurs quickly rather than gradually. If nail changes occur alongside persistent exhaustion, unexplained weakness, breathlessness, noticeable weight changes, or a general decline in well-being, these signs should not be ignored. Such patterns may suggest nutritional deficiencies or other medical conditions that require evaluation. The key factor is persistence. Temporary changes are rarely concerning, but ongoing symptoms combined with nail changes should always be taken seriously. The role of nutrition and daily habits. Nails are made primarily of keratin, a protein that depends on adequate nutrition for healthy growth. Long-term poor dietary intake may affect nail strength, growth, and regeneration. Insufficient iron, protein, or essential nutrients can influence nail appearance over time. Daily habits also play an important role. Repeated pressure on the nail base, frequent cosmetic treatments, or continuous nail damage can disturb nail growth. Allowing nails to rest and practicing gentle nail care often helps restore their natural appearance. Aging and natural nail changes. As the body ages, nail growth naturally slows. Nails may become thinner, more brittle, or take longer to regenerate. Changes in lunula visibility can occur as part of normal aging and do not automatically indicate disease. These changes usually happen gradually and reflect the body's overall pace of renewal. Understanding the bigger picture. The body does not communicate through single isolated signs. Health changes usually appear as patterns involving energy levels, physical comfort, and overall well-being. Nails can sometimes reflect internal changes, but they never provide the full picture on their own. Approaching nail signs with calm awareness rather than fear allows for better understanding and healthier decision-making. Small or missing half-moon nails are extremely common and, in most cases, completely normal. They usually represent natural variations in nail anatomy rather than warning signs of disease. Only when nail changes occur together with persistent physical symptoms should medical advice be considered. Understanding your body with clarity and balance is far more powerful than reacting to isolated visual signs. This content is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider for diagnosis or treatment.